Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Yeni Utami, and here I want to share my lesson plan in order to developing students' vocabulary knowledge. So here I want to be like a teacher, and I would like to do classroom activities. So I will start. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning, students. So, before we start the discussion or today's meeting, I want to ask the leader of the class to lead the praise. So, leader of the class may lead the other students. Okay, after that, I want to take the attendance of students today. So for the first one, I want to call one by one your name, students, and then you need to answer when I called your name, okay? Or you may raise your hand. So the first one is Fitria Alifa, Maulidia, okay, and others. Okay, so the next is about what you guys learn before this meeting, or what did you guys learn previous weeks. Is there any opinion about our previous week's meetings? So our previous week's meeting is talk about procedure text, which has purpose to share a step or to lead about how to do or how to make or how to create something like that. And you guys, do you know what we are going to learn today? Okay, so today we are going to learn about new material that talk about descriptive text. So guys, about this descriptive text, I want to give you a short explanation about it. But before I start to give you the short explanation, let me read the basic competence that we will achieve today. So, by the end of this meeting, students independently read and also respond to familiar and also unfamiliar vocabulary uh, that containing in the text, and then they may find new vocabulary provided in the text, and this text may be in the form of print or digital text, and including visual, multimodal, or interactive text. And they could make their own text versions using more variety of vocabulary and proper generic structure, also language features of the description text. So I wanna ask you guys about your favorite animal. Is there any your favorite animals? Okay, for example, cat or even a horse or something else like cow, dogs, goat, and other animals. So, guys, for the next, I want to give a short explanation about what what it's mean by descriptive text. So let me share my screen. Here is it still loading? Oh, okay. I thought okay. Based on my screen here, you can see guys the definition of the descriptive text. So descriptive text is a text which descriptive text is a text which says what a person or a thing is like. So it has purpose to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing such as animals or plant. And then I wanna show you guys about several photos here that provided in the text. Wait, let me share to you guys this one in this picture is a picture of a cat, a beautiful cat. So do you guys can give me some description to describe this cat appearance? So for the first one, is there any opinions? Okay, the cats have blue eyes, and then the cat has a white fur, and then a beautiful ears here, has four legs, and then pink colored lips here, and this cat looks so cute and also beautiful. And then the next, I want to show you guys about a short descriptive text, a simple descriptive text here. Wait, let me share my screen. Okay, guys. So here is an example of a simple descriptive text. So this, I have a text titled which has titled My Rabbit. So is there any students who want to read this for me? Okay, so I have a rabbit. His fur is white and has black spots. He has long ears and a short tail. He also has cute red big eyes. My rabbit likes to eat carrot and other vegetables. When I release my rabbit out of his cage, he used to jump everywhere and hard to catch. So I could just put him on his cage because I'm afraid that he might run away. I don't want to lose my rabbit because I love him very much. And then for the next, I want to tell you guys about the language features to create this text, this descriptive text. So this descriptive text has several language features in it, which is there are several language features of descriptive text. The first one is specific participant. So specific participant means that this text has a certain object that is not common and unique. For example, you can say that cat, my house, Borobudur temple, and so on. And then the next is the use of the adjective to clarify the noun. For example, a beautiful cat, a cute cat, a beautiful beach, or a handsome man, and so on. And then the most important thing is the use of simple present tense. So the sentence pattern use is simple present because this descriptive text tells the fact of the object described. So you can say that she or my cat has a beautiful fur, or my cat has a blue colored eyes, and so on. And then use action verbs, which means that verbs shows an activity. For example, run, sleep, eat, or so on. And then the next is about um, your opinion, guys, about your favorite person or your favorite animal, and describe it in a short way, like their appearance or their habit and so on. Is there any opinion? Okay, guys, after you give me that example of your favorite animal or your admired public figure, and then the next, I want you guys to divide into several groups, which is consists of 3 until 4 members. And then I want you guys to analyze the structure, the language features, and the new vocabulary that you found in the text provided. And you need to write down the vocabulary that you found and ask and I want you guys to find the meaning or the synonym of the vocabulary, new vocabulary that you found in the text provided. So the text that you are going to analyze is this text. Wait, let me show you the text. Okay, so the text that you are going to analyze is this one. Text which has titled Elephant. So you need to find out the structure, language feature, and also new vocabularies that you found in this text. Okay, so divide into several groups and do the assignment, and I will give you about 20 minutes to do this assignment. Okay, don't forget to write down the vocabulary you found, the new vocabulary. Okay, okay guys, if you have done to do the work or to do group work assignment, I want to ask you guys to make your own descriptive text using your previous group result. I mean, you also make the framework right for your descriptive text. Oh, I'm sorry. So before we jump to the next project, when you have done do this group work to find your vocabulary and then write the synonym or the means, you need to find also new topic and make a framework of the description text that you will create. You need to only write the framework and also finding the topic, okay? And then after that, I want you guys, students, to work independently to develop your group framework using your own language and terms which consist of various vocabulary. You may also allowed to use your previous vocabulary you found in this text. But before that, I want you guys to pay attention to my explanation about several vocabularies or new vocabularies that you guys might not know before. So here, based on this text, okay, we will read from the first sentence. Elephant is a herbivore animal and eat all almost vegetable and fruits. So here we found a new vocabulary here called as herbivore. Here. So is there anyone who knows what it means by herbivore? So herbivore basically is a term to what? Students, do you know? It's a term of the animal which is their food is a, is either grass, vegetables, or fruits like this. So this elephant is known as the herbivore animal because they are its grass, vegetables, and also fruits. And then the next is they have almost hairless skin. So here we found new vocabularies which is called as hairless. So what it means by hairless? So hairless here means is this elephant is almost doesn't have any hair on their body, but still they have several hair, but it's not cover up all of their body part. So and then the next is wide ears. Wide ear can be described as big, huge, and so on. Here you can see they have wide ears, four legs, and long trunk. Here you guys know what is trunk? If in the human we have nose, but in elephant they have trunk. This one is called as trunk here. Their long nose, which has function to help them drink water and even eat their food. Okay. And then the next elephant is known as the largest mammals. Do you know, guys, what it means by mammals here? So, mammals is a term for any kind of animal that give birth for their babies. So, they're not laying eggs and so on. They feed their babies. And then the elephant also have very sharp auditory because they have big and wide ears. So elephants, this in the next sentence, it has described by these ears they can hear sounds from a distance about 10 kilometers. So because they have big and wide ears, they have very sharp auditory which can hear sounds from a distance about 10 kilometers. At the back of the ear, this part, they have one of the softest part of their body which is called as knuckle. So knuckle is their softest part of their body which has located in their back ears. And in a zoo, mahouts is a term to call their trainers, elephant trainers, use their feet to steer or give command to the animals via the knuckle. So the mahouts will use their feet to give commands to animal via the knuckle. So they will touch their knuckles part here using their feet by the mahouts. And then this is the new fact. Now they are a kind of protected animal. You guys know what it means by protected animal? Wait, let me highlight these mahouts words. And then the next is about protected animal. So what it means by protected animal is the animal they almost disappear in this world and they need to be protected by all humans. So they will receive extra supervise from the humans to keep their population. because their population remains little in their habitat. So here we found new words, new vocabulary, habitat. Okay, so habitats is their place where they used to live in, which elephant live in the nature, in the free nature, such as jungle, forests, and so on. And their population began to decline year by year. So decline year has also have similar meaning with decrease or reduce. So this elephant population began to decrease year by year. Okay, so sad, okay, guys. So for your next independent project, you need to develop your group framework using the same topic that you and your group find out, and then you need to use several vocabulary. You might use several vocabulary you found in this elephant text, and you need to write it in a piece of paper and then submit it on time, and I will give you 25 minutes to construct your own descriptive text, guys. And then, okay, I will wait for you guys. Okay, after that, I will give you a piece of paper which consists of short exercise, and you need to do it in 10 minutes. So this exercise is about several new vocabulary we've that I provide, and it based on what we have talked in these meetings. It's it it has it relate to this descriptive text. So the first one is about what it means by descriptive text, and then what is appearance, public figure, present tense, and then habit. Okay, you might to find this word meanings using your own language or term. So it's up to you guys. You need to explain more about what it means using your own language or terms. Okay, and I give you 10 minutes to do it. Okay. Okay, student. So all of the activities, study activities, has been done by us. So before I close the meeting, I wanted to ask you guys about today's learning activities. What we have learned today. Okay, we learned about descriptive text. So descriptive text is a text to describe a particular object such as person, place, animals, or even plants. Okay, so before we end this session, I wanna ask the captain of the class to lead the praise. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you for coming in my class and see you in the next week. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.